Now we are going to start the topic number theory, and theory of numbers is the very important topic while you are studying in school level mathematics or college level mathematics, or you are just preparing for the many mathematical competitive examinations, especially for olympiads and many relevant mathematical competition. That time the theory of numbers having a large number of the diversified problems which you have to solve. So we are just starting our theory, and thereafter we will do some problems based upon the number theory. So here we are going to introduce the number theory. You can see on the display, number theory is about integers and their properties. Actually, before starting the topic, you must understand that many things which we have already studied while in our lecture series of the number system. So here we will start from the part after that. So here the number theory is about integers and their properties. Secondly, we will start with the very basic principles of the divisibility, the greatest common divisors, the least common multiples, and the modular arithmetic. Here the modular arithmetic is, this topic is very important, and we will completely focus upon this topic, and you will find the more confident after understanding this topic. And look at some relevant algorithms. Here from the very basic, if a and b are integers with a not equal to 0, we say that a divides b if there is an integer c, so that b equal to ac. This is the principle of the division. When a divides b, we say that a is a factor of b and b is a multiple of a. This is also convenient. The notation a divides b means that a divides b. Here this is the sign, you can see this is the symbol of the divisibility. It means a divides b. You should keep this in your mind, that here a divides b. This doesn't mean that b is the divisor. So here a is the divisor and b is the dividend. A divides b. We write a into b when a does not divide b. This is the sign. Actually this is not the sign of into, this is the cross sign. Here you can see this is the cross sign. We write a cross b when a does not divide b. Actually here the symbol must be like this, that this is the vertical line, so we have to cross upon this line here, like a does not divide b. So here this should be like this. The divisibility theorem for integers a, b and c, it is true that if a divides b and a divides c, then a divides b plus c. For example, you can see if 3 divides 6 and 3 divides 9, so 3 must be divides 15, then 3 must divides 15. If a divides b, then a divides bc for all integers c. For example, 5 divides 10, so 5 divides 20, so 5 divides 30, 5 divides 40, etc. If A divides B and B divides C, then A divides C. This is also true. This statement is very important. This is the relevancy for the divisibility in terms of B, A and C. So here, if A divides B and B divides C, then A divides C. Here is an example like 4 divides 8 and 8 divides 24, so 4 divides 24. For prime numbers, a